All right, so I'm gonna keep walking this until I get closer to the end. Okay, so welcome back. I trust that you have subscribed to our channel and you have also checked out a few other tutorial and inspirational videos that you might like. We are back here and we want to walk the last row. All right. The last row requires, first of all, a single burgundy stitch. Okay, as usual, we drop the burgundy, pick up the tail. This part requires just one of this tail as of now, and then the next is four burgundy stitches. So one, two, three, okay, four. You drop the burgundy, pick up the tail. This one requires one, two, three, four, five tail stitches. So one, two, three, four, and five. Back to the burgundy, which ends the row. So I'm gonna hold on to the tail for a bit before I fasten off. All right, so it hides neatly within the stitch. All right, so usually to achieve this, I pull a bit and cut off, and then I pull to hide the stitch. All right, so I still hold the square two more stitches, two more rows rather. As you can see, we have these are two rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's times two. We have 18. So I'm gonna walk two more to complete the square I have. And I'm using the burgundy, which is the base yarn, right? Or the border yarn, so to speak. So I'm gonna go twice, one to each end. So finally complete 20 rows. Now we're not going to end this here. We're going to properly border it. By that I mean, okay, so here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So this 20th, this is where it is our D facing up is here. What's going on? Okay, yeah, so that's about that. So I'm going to walk single crochet stitches around this square, okay, and then at each corner I'm gonna be adding two chains, Okay, so here goes. I'm going to chain one, turn around, seeing that this is the right side of my work. I'm going to work it such that I have the right side of the stitch facing this way. Okay, so that means I have to walk back. So one, I chain one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. This is the last row, or the last stitch rather. So I'm going to chain two and get back in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into each row. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we had 20 rows. So yeah, that's why you have 20 stitches, just like we have 20 base stitches as well. So 20 here, 20 here. As usual, chain two and then continue on the other side. So I continue. There's a straggler here, so I'm going to carry this straggler along. So one into each stitch across. Okay, because this was the base, this is my foundation row. Yeah, that's why it feels a little tight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do not forget your straggler. 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. See, 20, right? Chain two, 1, 2, 3. Shouldn't be this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, chain 2 and attach here to the first. Okay, this is the first one. Attach here. That's it. All right, so here we go. D done. Thank you for watching. Did you know that this is the same way you could create coasters for your dining table, for your business name, for friends, your tea table, your, wherever, for decors to give out as gifts. This is a very beautiful way to create coasters, square coasters. At the end of the day, these coasters measure 6 inches by 6 inches. All right. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.